Hi guys, this is Saurabh. In this video, we will learn how we can create a game that can teach us about COVID, social distancing and prevention. Okay, so you can see that's the game here. Now you can see that one is virus. Okay, and that one is us, anyone. So first, whenever we go to the market and somewhere, so first we need to wear the mask. So for that we have to press down key to wearing the mask. Okay, then now there is mask. Now let's click on the screen button to start this game, and you have to press space option to jump. It means you have to stay away from this virus to be safe. Okay, like this. Okay, that one is basic game. Okay, you can do a lot more thing in this game. Okay, but in this video we will learn about this overall game, how we can wear the mask and how we can jump and how we can save from this virus. Okay, so here we go. So we are using here Scratch to create this game. So just type here Scratch. Okay, and open this website scratch.mit.edu. Okay, now click on this create option. Okay, and wait some seconds. Now you can see that one is our dashboard. Now we need to delete this one spread. Okay, like this. Mouse over on that and you can see the upload option. Click on upload image spread, and then you have to select this one image spread, this one and this one. I have both. First one is mask with mask and second one is without mask. Click on open. Now both image spreads here. Now make sure this should be size is 30 and click on this again and make it size 30. Now we have to change the direction. Okay, so click on this costume options and change this flip horizontal like this and Command S or Control S. Then make sure this one is also, click on it, and this one is also convert like this, Command S. And now make sure this should be like this. Okay, good, in these same positions. Fine, good. Now click on this background option here, choose background, and you can select any background here. There are a lot of background, but I'm to select here colorful city. Okay, like this. Now we need one virus, so that one is also split. Click on this plus icon again, and here you'll find the split, this one beach ball. This one we will make it as a virus. Okay, you can choose any other image also. So I'm to make this size is 50 like this. Okay, fine. Now first we have to jump. Okay, so we have to code for jump. So how we can do this? So simply we have to, you can see here, click on motion in the left side. Okay, first make sure click on this clip first. Okay, in here, and then click on motion. Now we have to make this girl jump. So for that we should use a change by like this. Okay, and then we need here one more thing. We have to make it like, just let me just click on it. You can see this one is jump right now, but we have to, this should be like here also. So for that click on it, Control C Control V, and make sure this should be -10 like this. Okay, but now click on this control option and you will find the repeat, this one, and make sure this should be here. Okay, and then just copy paste, delete this one, make it here, and make sure this should be -10. And now make sure this should be, again drag and drop it here, and now click on this. You will find here this one is jumping. Now just how we can do it? So we have to jump this on space button. So here we'll find the option of events. You can see event. So whenever someone press the space button in our mobile phone, in our laptop, then we will make it jump. Let me just click on space. Fine. Now just Control C and then click on again second picture, and here you have to make Command V or Control V like this. Now just press here, both images are jumping right? Fine. Now how we can make how we can wear the mask. So for that, so whenever someone click on the arrow, it means in the this one arrow, in the down arrow. So what we can do here, you can see when the someone press down arrow, then we will hide this without mask image spirit. Okay, there's a lot more option to do this. Okay, so what I am using this option, let's see how it's work. We have to hide this, so you will find hide option, this one. Okay, so let me just click on arrow, this one hide, right? Fine. And on the up arrow, what we will do on the up arrow, we will show this, right? So how it's work, it's look like this one is wearing mask or not, like this, right? Fine, it's perfect. Now we have to move this one virus. Okay, so how we can move it, so click on this baseball, okay, this one virus, and then here you will find click on motion option, and you can see the go to XY, this one here, and then we have to make sure this should be repeated. So for that, click on this glide set, not now click on here, you can see glide, this one option, like this, and this should be start in, click on control, and this should be when someone click on it. Okay, now how it's work, let me just check first. Click on it, let me just move it here, but make sure this should be from now drag and drop this wall here, and you'll find, just delete this value here first, and make sure this should be here, and then click on motion, and you will find this value automatically here, like this. Okay, okay, now drag and drop this here, and this value is now 205 and 101. Okay, so this should be 101 is fine, but this should be 205 is fine. Now click on green, fine, but this one is stopped. Okay, so how we can move it, so for that we have to use here forever method. So click on control, and you can see forever, this one, drag and drop this here. Now click on green sign. Good, this one is moving, right? Now you can jump it also, like this, right? That's amazing. No, you can do a lot more things. Whenever some that one is collide, then you can stop this game, and you can make your score also, and you can do a lot more things using this game. Okay, I will give you a code link in this description, and you can modify this game and modify it according to your creativity, and just modify it. Okay, so let me know if you have some doubt, you can ask me on comment, and please subscribe my channel, like this video, and share this video. Have a nice day, be safe, bye bye.